Hey, what's up you guys? Today I'm here to show you a quick and easy way to trim your hair at home without heat. My hair is already washed, but I need to stretch it first. So I'm dividing my hair into 4 sections. I'm parting my hair from the crown of my head to the top of my ear and straight down the middle. Then I'll begin to work on one section at a time. So now I'm going to separate a small section of hair within each quadrant. I'm adding a little bit of leave-in conditioner and oil. Then rub that in. I'm going to detangle with my shower comb starting from the ends and working my way to the roots. Then I'll follow up with my detangling brush. I'll plait my hair all the way down and I'll repeat the process on each section until all the plaits are done. So this is my hair the next day and I gave it a full 24 hours to dry. I'll be using a powder brush, a fine-tooth comb, some clips to put my hair out of the way, and a pair of hair cutting shears. And please note that hair cutting shears are very sharp, so be careful when handling. Now I'm just going to put my hair up and begin to work on one section at a time. I'm going to take a section of my hair and undo the braid. When I'm done with undoing the braid, I'll take my powder brush and begin to brush my hair, starting from the ends and working my way to the roots. This brush helps to detangle the hair. It's also good for smoothing, which is exactly what I need before I trim. Then I'm also using a small tooth comb to get the hair as straight as possible. So a quick and easy trick I use to trim my hair is to twist it first. I twist my hair starting from the roots and then continue to twist all the way to the end. When I get to the end, I'll begin to look at where the hair starts to narrow or look thin, and that's a good indication of where I should trim. You want your hair to be somewhat as thick as the rest of your hair. Using the hair cutting shears, I'm going to cut off the ends. After that is done, I'll clip the hair out of the way and start working on my next section. So I'm going to take the hair and undo the braid. Brush to detangle and smooth. Then I'm going to comb through with a small tooth comb to make the hair as straight as possible. Then I'll twist the hair starting from the roots and continue all the way to the end. And where I see my hair begins to taper off, that's where I'll trim. So using the hair cutting shears, I'm going to cut off the ends. I'll clip the hair out of the way and start working on my next section. Take down the next piece and undo the braid. If your section of hair is too thick, then part the section in half, clip half of it away, and work on the other half. Then brush to detangle and smooth. Comb through with a small tooth comb to get the hair as straight as possible. Then start twisting the hair. And look at where the hair begins to taper off. Then I'll go ahead and trim off the ragged ends. I'll continue with this process until all my sections are complete. So I like to trim on dry stretched hair. It's also an easy alternative to braid my hair first so that it could stretch without heat. And I can see exactly where the hair is uneven. And this way of trimming works really well for my natural hair. Okay guys, so this is my no heat trim. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on my next one.